perfect time of the year, holiday season, to buy yourself or someone else a Pandora bracelet. I love when I see like other people with Pandora bracelets asking them like, you know, everything about it, like what they have and the meanings behind it. So in this video, I'm going to show you my Pandora bracelet. It's almost full and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to tell you the meanings behind each piece, like who bought it for me, as well as I'm going to tell you the price just in case you want to purchase any of these pieces. So if you want to see my Pandora bracelet, then continue watching. Beautiful souls, my name is Candace and welcome to my channel where everything's perfect. Throw up them hearts, including you. So hello soul family, how are you doing today? Happy holidays, by the way. I pray that you guys are like having a wonderful holiday. And so let me take this off. I just wanted to say as well that you can buy a Pandora charm or bracelet for any occasion, So here it goes. This is the bracelet that I got. I got the bracelet with all the diamonds in the heart. And anybody that knows me knows that I love hearts. So I have like a majority of these are hearts on here. So yes, I love this. So right here, I have a safety charm and it is absolutely adorable. This is like this clamp right here and clamp right here, just in case it opens. And it has like this little wheat grain that like dangles when you wear it. So I love that piece, you know. And so I just wanted to say that I think every Pandora bracelet should have a safety charm because I actually lost mine before and I am so grateful to find it. It was in my car and after that I ran to the store and got it, and it has popped open since, but you always feel it. It's like a dangling feeling once it pops open. So it's like you can feel it like, oh, this feels loose on me. And not only that, you don't want to lose all the sentimental pieces that everybody bought for you, you know what I'm saying? And it can be a like pricey penny, like adding up all this, and so it's like all that money down the drain. So definitely get you a safety chain. So right here, as you can see, I have a little clip charm. It's a heart and it says family on it. And these are very important because they don't move. They like stay on this little piece. Let me show you. It's like a piece right here, and they have it as well like right here where you could stick them. I stick it all the way at the end because let's say if your bracelet does open and you don't have a safety chain, then this protects it from falling off. And like I said before, I actually have lost some pieces, and that's why I bought both of those pieces. And I actually bought the clip charm before I bought the safety charm. So right here, I have a love coupon. And so you guys, I am sending you tons of love because I can't give you any hugs or kisses. So this is free hugs, and then the like in the front, and then the back says free kisses. And so like those are so cute. And then on the back of like the charm says unlimited usage. So you guys, when I saw that, I'm like a hippy dippy. I love like hugging, like, you know, when people, you see signs and they're like holding up them signs and say free hugs, like that's me. And so if I could hug each and every one of you guys, I would. But I'm just gonna send you tons of love right now. The next one I have right here is the angel wing and heart dangly. And I absolutely love this one because this is like represents my baby, my love angel. My daughter, I used to call her love angel, and my sister bought me this for my birthday. And so it has like a little heart right there at the top and then the wing. And I absolutely love that. It's so perfect. And then right here, I have a 4-leaf clover, and I absolutely love this one. And my sister also bought me this for my birthday. And this like represents like luck, good luck, of course. And then next, this one is so cool. This is like, it has like purple lips. It's like a face, purple lips and sunglasses. And my favorite color is purple. And so when I saw this, I just had to get it. And with the cool sunglasses, it's like, this is his own vibe. Y'all see that? This is his own vibe. I think they don't sell this piece anymore. They don't sell it. As well as it has like hearts all across the top. It like goes all the way around like hearts. Like, this is so cute. Next, I have the mother, and this one is like a mother-daughter set. And it says always in my heart on the back. Let me show you. On the back. Always in my heart. And so I have the mother and my daughter has the daughter, and I bought this for her birthday. Yeah, for her first birthday. And she has a Pandora bracelet as well. Next, I have this cat. It is so cute. Actually, I love cats, but this represents my cat Spirit, who passed away. He had heart disease, and so I wanted a cat charm just like to honor him. And just when I think about it, I think about him. So that's that one. His name was Spirit, and he was a wonderful cat. So this one says best friends forever, and it has like the infinity charm on it. And my friend bought me this for my birthday, and shout out to my friend Juanita for buying me this. Thank you. I absolutely love this piece. Right here is a purple glass charm. Like I said before, my favorite color is purple, and it's like glass, and it is so gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. And it added a little splat on my, bracelet. So the color of royalty. My whole apartment is purple, as you can see. Purple. The rug, everything's purple. I love purple. That's my favorite color. Actually, my sister brought me this purple charm. So shout out to you, sister. She's actually in the Navy and she's underway right now. So I know she's not gonna see this video, until she gets back. I miss you, I love you, and I can't wait to see you again. It's been a long time since I've seen her. I haven't seen her, it's been like a year now. So yeah, I've just seen these. That's why I love these, because they have so many like sentimental, meaning. So if you see this, buy your friend or family member one, because they will be forever grateful for it. And I just love them. It's like, not only is it beautiful to look at, I just love sentimental. I'm like, that's the hippie in me. It just, makes me happy on the inside. A lot of times I just look at them, and actually I face all mine a certain way. So I'm really particular how I put them on my charm. I want it to be perfect. This is my baby. Next one is this key, and it spells out love, and I get this for my birthday. And it's all the keys are old keys, and they're in the shape of a heart at the top. And my son, I have a 15-year-old son, and he bought this for me for my birthday. So shout out to you, son. I love you. Thank you for my piece. I love this piece. And I love love. You know what I'm saying? I've been in love with love for the longest, and to the point that I named my daughter Love, and I have a lot of heart tattoos on me as well. So the next one is this heart mom locket. As you can see, it says mom in there, and it has a heart, but it actually opens. Let me show you. It opens like that, and it says I love my mom. And I got this on Mother's Day from Love's Dad and my son. So thank you for these pieces. Thank you, everyone, whoever's watching this that bought me any of these pieces. Thank you. I am very grateful and thankful. And so right here, it says F, heart C. Love's Dead bought me this. We are not together anymore. I'm spilling out tea. We are not together anymore. So I think I'm going to put this on her bracelet, for her to have her mom's and dad's initials on it. So here they go, which is really, really cute. Really cute. And I don't like taking them off because I don't want to lose them. So I think I'm going to take it off and give it to her. Because we're not together. Why am I holding on to that memory? You know what I'm saying? There's no need for me to walk around, with F heart C on my bracelet. I have love for you if you're watching this, but there's no need for me to be walking around like we're dating, okay? So the next one is the best friends, and this comes in a set of two, just like the mom one. And it looks like the mom one because I love that it has that pink, on the front, and then on the back it says always there. And I bought this for my friend who bought me my best friend one. I bought this, for her for my baby shower. That's why I actually bought this, because she has a Pandora. She actually inspired me to get a Pandora bracelet because she has one, and I wanted to buy her a charm, but I didn't have one. So I had to buy me a bracelet and her a charm, and this was my first ever charm, the best friend one. So thank you, Juanita, for, doing my baby shower. That's why I bought you this. And thank you for getting me my best friend charm because I absolutely love it. And I absolutely love my Pandora as well. So right here, we're gonna go to this one. That's why I'm doing this last, because my sister that's underway, she bought me like 3 or 4 charms on this bracelet, and I'm like, I want her to have one, so I bought her a bracelet. Her birthday is December 10th. So this one says sisters, and it's very, very small, you guys. And one says sis, and the other one says sister. And so I have the sis one because I feel like the older one's supposed to be like, hey, big sis or whatever. And then she has sister, and I'm sending this to her for her birthday. She's actually underway, so she's gonna get it on the boat. And it has like this cut in it, and they connect. So they're like little, like connected. And it says, I will always have a friend. That's what it says. And I just had to get this because this is so cute. And I feel like it's another opportunity, like, you know, when I buy someone else a Pandora, to get myself one, because they come in a set. So I have a lot of sets on here, like the best friend, the mom, and as well as the one I'm about to show you next. And this one, you know, a lot of people say boys should not have Pandoras, but I bought my son one. So here it is. This one says mother, and it's very plain and simple, and it's a heart. Like I said, I have a lot of hearts, so this represents love for me. You know what I'm saying? That's why I love hearts. That's why I say throw up them hearts, you know what I'm saying? Throw up them hearts, you know what I'm saying? So I got him this, and his actually comes on a cute little leather bracelet. And it's plain on the back, it says nothing. And so it's like a manly bracelet that it has. And I'm pretty sure he's not gonna like add any more Pandoras to it. But I have a daughter one, you know, I have a sister one, I have a best friend one. I need to have a son one, you know what I'm saying? My son, he's gonna be flexing just like everybody else, you know what I'm saying? And that's why I said, you don't wanna lose these, because look at all of them, like you'd be like $30 here, $50 here, that stuff start adding up when you add up each piece. I think I'm not gonna buy another one, because when you really think about it, you guys, I hate to say it, but I keep it real, you know what I'm saying? I feel as though that these things are really overpriced. Like you pay like $70 for one, $50 for another one, or whatever the case may be. They're very sentimental and they mean a lot. But after I do this one, I'm not gonna do another bracelet. So I just have a little bit more to go. Even though like it is $1,000, when you are buying it for somebody else and people are buying it for you, it's not really you spending all your money. And it's like, I'm getting 2 for the price of 1, you know, buying one for somebody else. You know what I'm saying? I love making people feel good. That's why I like to buy people charms, and I like making myself feel good. So don't be afraid to buy yourself a charm. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and they do have golds, but they all are gold plated. So they have this one, like this one's gold. But I really like the silver look because all of my jewelry, like this one's silver, all of my earrings are silver. And I wanted to say, any of my family or friends that are watching this that want to buy me a gift, give me a Pandora, you know what I'm saying? Any Pandora, you know I like fashion, I like art, I like hippy dippy stuff, so go on there and check out and see what they have and get me some cute charms to fill up my bracelet. A Pandora is great to get anyone on any vacation, a trip, anniversary, birthday, just because today is today and I was thinking about you. You guys, this is the goal, Peace on Earth. This is one of my favorite cups, my favorite. That's my aim, to raise the consciousness of the world, the universe. So you guys, I just wanted to show you guys something before you left. This is my tiger gem ring. If you are a minimalist and you are looking for a affordable simulated diamond ring, this ring is absolutely gorgeous, and I've had it for 3 years now, and it sparkles like day one. I wanted to make a review about this ring, you know what I'm saying? Because this ring symbolizes like my self-love journey, and not only that, I'm gonna tell you like all the details, like the size, like, or you know, everything, the price, everything. I'm gonna review it in depth. If you want to see this ring, definitely, you know, subscribe to your girl. So if you like this video on my Pandora bracelet, that's another thing, it makes a lot of noise, you know, when you're moving around, then hit that like sub button right now, right now. because I'm going to be coming through with all the good health and fitness. Talking about the internal beauty exuding outwardly, because it's nothing about the internal beauty exuding outwardly for me. So subscribe, because guess what? I'm gonna keep them videos coming. Yes. And always remember that you are perfect. Yes, you're perfect. You are absolutely perfect. You are perfectly human. Yes, shout out to all my perfect gang. Throw up them hearts. Gang. Let's connect. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm wishing everyone a happy holiday. You guys, I answer all my questions down below, so ask me anything. Have a good day. Bye-bye.